Hi everyone, my name is Jelena Lukic and you are watching Serbiana Power Class video lessons. On my YouTube channel you can find many educational and fun materials about Serbian language and culture. Also, you can find me on my Instagram, Facebook profile, website and blog Serbiana Power Class, as well as in my LinkedIn profile Jelena Lukic. So let's dive in. For today, I prepared a lesson that calls socializing in Serbia. So I will tell you about how do we socialize in this country, in Serbia. Serbian people, like people in many other cultures, have various ways of socializing. Here are some common ways in which Serbian people socialize. So number one, we have coffee culture. This is a favorite way of socializing, and coffee is an important part of Serbian social life. Meeting friends and family for coffee is a common way to socialize. This can be a relaxed and informal gathering that can last for hours with people chatting and catching up. When we want to ask someone to go for a coffee with us, we will ask, hoćemo na kafu? Hoćemo na kafu? I wrote you down these two sentences. It's the same, but one is in Latinica and the other one is in Cyrillica. And we asked someone, do you want to go for the coffee? Number two. Traditional family gatherings. This is very interesting. So Serbian families often place a strong emphasis on family bonds, and gatherings with extended family members are common. Events like birthdays, holidays and religious celebrations are opportunities for family members to come together and socialize, catch up, yeah? When we come to some of these events, we can say, if it's birthday, we say srećan rođendan. Srećan rođendan, you can see how it's written in Serbian Latinica and in Serbian Cyrillica. So happy birthday, srećan rođendan. If we go to a Slava, you can find my special lesson about Slava. It's a traditional Serbian celebration. It's religious type of celebration, and we will say srećna slava or srećna slava domaćine to a host and srećna slava domaćice to a hostess. And if we are going to a church christening, we will say srećno krštenje. Srećno krštenje is happy christening. And also, if we are going to some anniversary of marriage, for example, we will say srećna godišnjica braka. Srećna godišnjica braka. Happy wedding, happy marriage anniversary. Okay, so we go on. Kafana. Kafana tavern culture. This is the most exciting of all. Kafanas are traditional Serbian taverns where people gather to enjoy live music, food and drinks. It's a popular place to socialize, listen to music and dance, of course. In these occasions, we usually say živeli. Živeli, it's cheers, but not with water, as now. Usually it's something else in the matter. So živeli or uzdravlje. Cheers. We go on. Sports and recreation. Many Serbs are passionate about sports, especially football or soccer, basketball and tennis. Watching games or playing sports is a way for people to bond and socialize. Here we use a lot of bad words and curses I would rather not mention in this video, and you will understand why. Festivals and celebrations. Serbia has a rich cultural heritage And there are many festivals and celebrations throughout the year. These events provide opportunities for socializing and enjoying traditional music, dance, and food. We say festival, vašar, sajam, proslava, slavlje. It means festival, fair, or celebration in different types of it. Also, we have social media and technology, the same as rest of the world, and civilization. Serbia is of course a part of it, and like in many other parts of the world, Serbs use social media platforms and messaging apps to connect with friends and family. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and WhatsApp are popular for staying in touch. Nightlife. In larger cities like Belgrade, Novi Sad, Niš, Čačak, Užice, there is a vibrant nightlife scene with bars, clubs, and music venues. People often go out to socialize, listen to music, and dance into the early hours of the morning. Yeah. Cultural and art events. And I must say, I have one specific lesson only about Serbian nightlife. So I suggest, if you're interested in this subject, or if you're thinking about nightlife in Serbia, you can find my lesson, Nightlife in Serbia, and you will get it there. Cultural and art events are our next stop. So Serbia has a rich cultural scene, and people often attend theaters, concerts, art exhibitions, and other cultural events to socialize and enjoy the arts. For the theater, we will say pozorište, pozorište. For the cinema, we will say bioskop, bioskop. Gallery is galeria. Concert, we say koncert, similar. Art exhibition is izložba, and museum we will say muzej. Remember, you can write it all down and watch this lesson a couple of times and repeat these words and try to memorize them. Also, we have outdoor activities. Serbs also enjoy spending time in nature, so activities like hiking, picnicking, and going to the countryside are very popular ways to socialize, especially during the summer, during the warmer months. So hiking is in Serbian pešačenje or planinarenje when it's a mountain type of hiking. For the picnic we say also picnic or izlet, and for the camping we say kampovanje, kampovanje. Work and professional networking is another area of socializing in Serbia, and like in many other countries, people in Serbia also socialize through work-related events and professional networks. Building relationships in the workplace is important for career development and general health and one's well-being. That's scientifically proved. We actually don't have an adequate word for team building, so we use the same word for this type of socializing. We call it simply team building. It's important to note that the ways people socialize can vary based on factors like age, location, is it urban versus rural places, and personal preferences as everywhere in the world. Overall, Serbs value social connections very much, and these various activities provide opportunities for them to come together and build relationship. I hope you learned something new and useful and maybe fun in this lesson, and if you did, write me down in the comments below the video what was the most interesting information for you from this lesson. And also you can follow me, my YouTube channel, like and comment my videos, and Maybe share them with your friends and relatives who are interested in Serbian language and culture. Thank you so much for being and learning with me, and keep doing it. I'm preparing much more educational and fun material for you. So, see you in my next lesson. Bye!